Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to tell and show you how to change your name for your Instagram. You can change your name once every 14 days. So you have Instagram and you can change your name, first name and second name. How do you do that? First, you go into Instagram. Then you click on the profile button. Now you don't have to click on the three bars and you don't have to open the settings. You just have to click on Edit Profile. Click here, and here we see a few points. Among them, name. This is exactly the name that's listed here in our Instagram profile. We click on this line, and we can change our name. We specify a new name. If the name is not occupied by another person, click Save. Click Done. And that's it. With this method, you were able to change your Instagram name. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.